Welcome, students, once again to the continuation of the chapter types of verbs under the topic finite and non-finite. So in the previous video, we have discussed and we have learned what is a finite verb. Now in this video, we will learn what are non-finite verbs, okay? So, what is a non-finite verb? Non-finite verbs don't have any agreement with the subject. We have seen the previous video that finite verbs, they have an agreement with the subject, right? And there are three parameters where they goes into agreement. Now here, in this non-finite verbs, it don't have any agreement with the subject, which means they do not change as per tense, person, or number. They don't perform any action in the sentence. Now here, non-finite verbs, though the name is a verb, but the function that it does in the sentence is nothing. Okay, they don't function as a verb in the sentence. Now, let us understand this with an example. I found his office at a walking distance. Now here the first example. The subject is, as we see, the subject I is in singular, right? And the sentence, if we read the whole sentence, it is in the past tense, right? I found his office at a walking distance. Now, in this first example, there are two verbs. Now here the two verbs are found and walking, right? Now again, in the next sentence, an example, Akash will find his office at a walking distance. Now in this example also, the subject Akash is singular and the sentence is in the future tense, right? Will find his office at a walking distance. Now here, in this example also, there are two verbs, find and walking. So, in both the sentence, the first verb, that is the first verb in both the sentence. If you see the both the sentence, found and find, right? So here, the first verb, it changes. Yes or no? It is changing according to the sentence. At first, it was I found. The second sentence, it is I find. And the next verb, that is walking and walking. Now in this sentence, walking remains the same. It does not change, right? So here, walking didn't change in both the sentence, and as it doesn't function as a man verb. So here, in this sentence, we can say that the word walking is a non-finite verb because it does not act or it does not behave like an action, because the action is already been done by the word found and find. But here, walking distance, at a walking distance, it is not acting as a verb. So the word walking is a non-finite verb. So my dear students, this is a very short video. That is all with the video. I hope you have understood by now what is finite verb and what is non-finite verb. So to understand more clearly, go through revision, go through both the videos once again, okay? And if you have any doubt, we will discuss in the class. Now in the next slide, this is the assignment which you have to do in the class hours and post it before the class ends. This will be your attendance. Okay? Have a nice day.